All right, not the biggest TikTok shop person, but I've been trying out some different things on the TikTok shop. So I just wanted to show these things out. They're called tactical folding scissors, and they simply would just fold out like so, and they lock into place, and then you can utilize them as scissors. So they're actually pretty nice. I like to keep them in my gym bag in one of the small pockets because it takes up very little space. It has a glass breaker right here. It has a gut hook right here that you could fold out. They call it a gut hook or a seat belt cutter, if you will. But yeah, check those things out, and I'll add them to my TikTok store. But let's see what this thing will cut. So I got some cheap rope here, some twine or whatever, and as you can see, it cuts that no problem, very easy. So let's see what all it can cut. All right, as a small engine shop mechanic, this is a very common rope that we use in the shop, and let's just see how it does with cutting that. And oh my goodness, look at that. I can just cut the end of it, or I can cut a piece off like that. So these are definitely very sharp, and so far very impressed. But let's see what else it can cut. Another thing is gasket material, very common, you'll find in most shops, and as you can see, it cuts it with no problem. I don't want to waste a bunch of it, so very easy to cut. So that's something else that it will do. There's a couple more samples there, and we'll try something else. All right, something that's always in most shops is some nice wiring. So this is, I believe, 18 gauge. So it's 18 gauge, 18.2. So cuts this, no problem. Let's move on to a penny, which I've seen a lot of TikTokers do. So I want to see if this things will actually cut a penny in half. Comment below if you think it'll do it, and let's see. Wow. And as you can see, it cut that penny clean in half. Wow, I was not expecting it to do that. So overall, I love this. You push these little buttons in and you can fold this thing in. So what do y'all think of that? Comment below and I will actually send these to one of y'all. Pick a person in the comments and I'll send this pair to one of you guys. And yeah,